We say all the time that managers must use the tool of feedback. It's required. We all know it's a required part of the job. But why? Why is feedback so important, Sasha?
So, feedback on the surface, it's the way to close a skill gap. You give people useful, actionable feedback so that they can see the difference between what the expectation is and where they actually are. The problem is that people would prefer to have relationships with people, and so they cannot see how it is that they can have a good relationship with somebody and give them feedback, especially if the feedback highlights a skill gap. I would say that there's even a skill gap for managers in the giving of feedback because they have not learned how to differentiate their opinions and conjectures from factual, helpful, actionable feedback that develops skillfulness in others.